Hello everyone and welcome to Frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this unique Odia traditional dish, that is Chingudi Chhecha. Chingudi Chhecha means roasted prawns crushed with garlic, onion and green chilies, and this tastes so amazing. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first in a bowl I have taken 100 grams of small sized prawns. To that add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of red chilli powder. Mix everything well. Marinate for 30 minutes. Then in a pan heat 2 teaspoons of mustard oil. To that add the marinated prawns. Roast and cook the prawns. Roast till the prawns are golden brown in color. Our prawns are well roasted now. Take out in a bowl. Then add the roasted prawns to a mortar. Roughly crush using pestle. Then add 1 tablespoon of chopped onions, 6 to 8 cloves of garlic, 2 green chillies. Crush everything together. The flavor of raw garlic, onion, green chilies give it a different taste. Finally add 1/2 teaspoon of mustard oil and crush again. Remove it to a plate. And our super quick and easy side dish is ready now. So this delicious Chingudi Chhecha is a traditional Odia village special dish. This is so easy to make and is so delicious. This is basically a roasted prawns chutney and this goes perfectly well with Pakhala. So do try this out yourselves this summer and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.